Hello everyone. Today is Friday and we're reviewing yet another set of online stores. This time we're talking about tools and equipment e-commerce. Let's talk about Rockler. Here's the main page, and right away we can see that they have a slideshow of promo banners. It's a carousel and we can go and navigate one by one. They show a bar of the brands that they offer with ability to go into the brands page, and we can see that they are having a really big variety and offering of different brands. Next is the section that shows the current price cuts, current promo offers, specific thumbnails of products that are on sale currently, with ability to jump into that specific category where all special offers are sitting all together. Next section is about deals. So they're showing various deals. It's either a discount as a percentage, or they have monetary discounts as well. It's like a cool section. Another one is featured products. It's a special category, again with thumbnails of products. They're advertising their in-store classes and a class of the month. Another section is a set of categories. They have this cool thing with rollover animation when you basically have a different picture on rollover. Again, learning center and reviews of the customers. Those are the store reviews. So they basically have customer reviews that are reviewing their general experience with that store, not with the specific product, because it's a retailer of sorts and they have a whole bunch of products and also some brick and mortar store locations as well. Let's take a look on the mega menu. So since it's a ton of products, basically mega menu have various subsections and you can see them here. And I just opened now a collection page. Here we have a classic grid of products with ability to add to cart right away. On the product details page, they have a cool section inside the buy box, immediately offering the upsell of required additional meaningful supplies that does make sense to purchase right away with the product. And classic product description, technical documentation, question and answers. And their sticky add to cart button is actually sitting on the top. They have suggested products as well, and that's pretty much it how they look like. Let's take a look on Acme Tools. You can see that the store looks very differently. It is having more pictures and it's having a more interesting layout in general. And let's review this step by step. So on the main page, they have trending categories, and my understanding that 28K means how many visits into that category is happening. And they have a mega menu that is full of images. You can also click shop all and it will present all the major categories. Every single tile is having an image and the name. And if we go to the equipment collection page, it will show the subcategories. It will show teasers of those additional subcategories. Then trending equipment, shop by brand, again, categories navigation, but not having actual products in place. But if we go into the subcategory itself, we have the actual grid of products. And on that grid of products, you can see that some of them does have price, some of them is call for price. Filtering options, we can do by used. So they actually even have used equipment on sale. Right, so basically they have also used equipment. And in terms of the PDP, we can see that they have a carousel of the product images, but also have the ability to purchase with the affirm using the payments plan. However, somehow it's not allowing me to add to cart. Interesting. But let's take a look on other type of product that is not having a high price tag. We can add to cart. It is populating a sidebar cart with a bunch of additional upsells here on the bottom. If we still want to check out, we can go into the order summary and also have the upsells on the bottom here. The footer is pretty classic with all the necessary stuff being in it. The mega menu looks pretty neat, and each section have its own set of additional subcategories. Overall, the store have a ton of inventory. They also have a printed catalog, and they are also a brick and mortar store, so you can have this link store locations. Another one is Garrett Wade. It is completely different vibe, and visually it is standing apart from those two that we reviewed right before. So it's kind of DIY, but with touch of style. So they have this fancy tools, cool looking accessories. So from the perspective of the main page, they have just a static banner in the hero section. Then they have major categories banners like fireplace supplies, lighting candles, maintenance, cleaning, home office. And then top sellers, it's a list of thumbnails of the specific products, a banner for a category, and other categories featured here, plus a grid with, again, collections. So it's all basically teasers. And then new arrivals. And this is basically shoppable Instagram of sorts. So you can see specific tools, then some additional information. It's basically for SEO purposes here. Let's take a look on their mega menu. So every section of the mega menu have an image. Let's take a look on the specific collection. The collection page have a classy hero section with the image, and then a grid with the banner in it, and their toolboxes look very classy, so that's their specialty, I guess. Each product have a carousel of the images, opens in the model window first. Then I clicking view details, and that redirects me to the actual PDP, where they have a bunch of upsells, fancy accessories like a stair walker. They also have some GIF images here, represent the product, video section, some upsells again. Let's take a look how cart looks like. So add to cart opens the sidebar cart with upsell carousel, but we can go and click checkout. It will open checkout powered by Bolt. Thank you very much for staying with us, and please subscribe and hit the like button, and stay tuned for the next episode